Benvenuti, buongiorno, buonasera, buonanotte. This is the short video tutorial to see how to differentiate from the meaning of di and da. So these are two prepositions, simple prepositions in Italian. And what's the difference? Because we already encountered both in two sentences that are quite similar. For example, we have the sentence Io sono di Trieste and Io vengo da Trieste. And it seems pretty similar. The only difference, other than the preposition, is actually the verb, that is Io sono, I am, or Io vengo, I come. So the difference is that these two prepositions are actually very different. The first one, di, just highlight a relationship between the two component of the sentence. So we have io and Trieste, and it highlights a relationship between myself and the city where I am from. So it doesn't have any meaning of movement, doesn't have any relation actually to the with the sentence that you are probably used to hear in English is I am from Trieste. That from is actually the preposition da, because the preposition da, yes, highlight the fact that there's a starting point, so vengo da Trieste, and there's a trajectory from starting at the point of Trieste and end up probably in the place where we are. So as you can see, the meaning is very different. This is the core meaning of this preposition. It doesn't mean that there's no peripheral meaning that can be a little bit different, as it happens in every part of the language and of all languages, but this is the core difference. So remember that you can associate the D with a link kind of symbol, and the da with an arrow that starts from the starting place. Okay, so if you want to visualize it that way, I think it will be easier to figure out the difference and to remember in the future. Okay, this was a short tutorial about the difference between the prepositions di and da in Italian.